Hello, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P80. In this video I'll show you how to enter recovery mode. Thanks to recovery mode, you can reset your smartphone to factory defaults if you don't have access to it, or you can wipe all data in case there is a glitch on your smartphone. In order to enter it, press and hold power button to go to power menu and select restart. Now press and hold power button and volume up until you see HUAWEI logo. Release the buttons. And now you can clear the data, restart, or go to update mode. Here you can perform e-recovery mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.